I got some explaining to do. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Behind me, what you see is a Infiniti G37 convertible. Now, a lot of you might be asking, why is it, wrecked up? Why is it like that? Well, I have some explaining to do. So I'm very excited to announce that I'm starting a new series in this channel called the Built series. So basically, we're gonna be buying cars like these, we're gonna be fixing it up, you're gonna see the journey from the beginning all the way to the end, and it's gonna be an amazing series, a lot of good content. My first project that I got is an Infiniti G37. There is a lot of work involved in this car. You'll see it very soon. I'll be posting a lot more content as well. But yeah, let me show you around the car. I'm very excited to start off this series. Stay tuned for that, and let me show you around the car. Okay.
This shit is my remedy for all of my depression, and it's causing my obsession. And you know I'm getting anxious, and I'm trying to be famous, but it's hard to be real when you don't know how you feel. And I'm trying to be cool, but I feel like a fool. Should've stayed, never left. Now I am so obsessed. I am so obsessed. This shit is my remedy for all of my depression, and it's causing my obsession. And you know I'm getting anxious, and I'm trying to be famous, but it's hard to be real when you don't know how you feel. And I'm trying to be cool, but I feel like a fool. Should've stayed, never left. Now I am so obsessed. Staying in control, and I'm feeling like a fool. I left so broken, got my heart on control.
Alright, so this is my 2012 Infiniti G37 convertible. This is going to be the first car for the Built series. The damage, as you can see, is not too bad. Of course, we need to change that bumper, the headlights, a little bit of work involved with the front radiator core support. Engine is pretty good, nothing too bad. I don't think we should have any hassle getting this engine started. At this start, battery is completely flat, so we have to get that fixed as well. But radiator core support is going to be changed. Headlights are pretty bad, so definitely need to change that. The passenger side headlight is pretty good, so I don't need to worry about that. Fender, it is messed up from the passenger side, so we need to change that as well. But yeah, this is an overall look of how it sits before we start working on the car. A little bit more damage over here. We need to change both of the fenders. The hood is pretty messed up as well, so we're going to change that. Let me show you. It is a convertible, hard top, pretty good condition. Overall, it's a very, very clean car. Nothing too major from the back. Actually, there's no damage from the back anyways. So the wheels are pretty curved. We need to fix the wheels. Now, I'm not too sure how I'm going to approach this damage right here, but we'll figure it out. It's nothing too bad. I'm pretty sure we could fix it with Bondo, but we'll figure it out. Let me show you the inside real quick. Okay, so the door does not open completely. The interior is super, super clean. The carpet is pretty dirty, so we're gonna get that replaced. The door jambs, I might replace all this trim piece right here. Bose headset's pretty clean. As you can see, if it focuses, which it does not want to, never mind. But you get the point. Super clean interior. Let me show you the leather seats. If you guys could see, it's kind of hard. Definitely a smoker car. I could smell the smoke, but nothing too major. We're gonna get it fixed. The good thing about this car is that the airbags did not deploy, so it's very easy to work on cars like those. So excited to work on this car. But yeah, that's basically the overall damage of the car. So it's going to be pretty exciting to work on this car and provide you new content for the channel. Like I said, I'm very excited for the Built series. So you will be seeing a lot more episodes on this G37, and there's going to be a lot more cars coming in the future. For now, what we're going to do is we're going to dismantle the front end. We're going to open up the fenders, we're going to open up the bumper, maybe the hood. I'm not too sure. I might leave it on because if it rains, I live in South Florida, so it's kind of bipolar. But yeah, I might leave that on. But yeah, we're going to open up all of this just to see, a little bit of a better perspective of what kind of parts we might need. Because I know we might need this kind of support for the radiator, and we also need the whole front end, basically the whole front end clip. So we'll open most of it up so we could assess it a little bit better, and you guys will be along this whole journey of from start to finish, so you'll be able to see what goes behind buying a car from Insurance Auto Auction. So yeah, I'm excited to bring you along this journey. Alright guys, so I have dismantled most of the front end. You guys saw we had a little bit of an issue trying to get off that radiator support. It's completely off now, and you could see the damage a lot better now. So I do know that I'm gonna need to change this support along with this one, which I told you guys before. The support is pretty bent, so we're gonna get that fixed up. What we're gonna do is, it is spot welded, so I'm gonna get this cut open. I'm gonna open up that as well, and I'll figure out. I have a guy who's gonna be able to weld this up, so I'm gonna figure it out. This piece is pretty bent as well, so we're gonna get that sorted out. But yeah, it's very easy to open up the radiator support, which is this right here. It's completely bent, so we're gonna replace the whole thing. It's not that many bolts. There's bolts in the bottom over there, which goes right here. So if you guys are doing it at home, most of the supporting pieces, you have to open up the bash bar, so you'll be able to get access to all the support pieces, which are on the bottom right here. So these are mainly the support pieces that holds the radiator core support, but it's very easy to open it up. But yeah, you can see it's not that much damage at all. The good thing is that those beams are completely straight. The bottom piece is completely straight. I'm excited because it's not, you know, too much involved. We're gonna take out the fenders in the next video because it does require a little bit of work to open it up. Basically, what I need to do is I need to open up the side skirts, so I'll be able to access the bolts underneath. But before I do that, I need to jack up the car and open up the wheels. I'm gonna start sourcing parts online because I know I need to buy this right here. The side mirror is pretty busted as well. For those of you wondering, I forgot to close the window, so I had to bag it up because the battery is completely flat. We're gonna get that sorted out. We're gonna source all the parts, and you'll see in the next video, maybe we'll start working on, you know, putting up the parts together, or maybe getting that little support piece, you know, fixed up. So I'll let you guys go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the first episode of Build Series. If you guys have any recommendations on what I should do differently, or, you know, any other recommendations, I would love to hear them. Please comment down below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.